Yo, guys, we up and at it again, man. We up and at it again. It's a Saturday morning. I'm like, I want to come up in here, kind of talk about what all I eat in a day. And mind you, when I first told you guys we're gonna start this winter arc off, I said I'm gonna start a random cut. It's not random because I know I wanted to kind of like cut down a little bit. I was almost 200 pounds, like just hitting straight weights, gaining a lot of muscle mass. And now it's just time to get that, that cut. You gotta cut down a little bit. So it wasn't as random as it probably sounded, but so I pretty much start off my day as I go to the gym at 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning, even on a Saturday. I'm trying to get my workout in and, go about my day. But I literally start off with apple cider vinegar shot and a shot of lemon juice. I know you're like, yo, bro, you really drinking it? Yes. Every single day for the last couple of days. Actually, for the last week. I have not been, enjoying it, but it definitely helps. I'm gonna put a picture up over here somewhere so you can see when I first did this weight cut and just kind of show you guys the results. But the difference between this picture and now is I was nowhere near 200 pounds. I did the weight cut and I wanted to get shredded. So I'm already knowing, bro, the results are gonna look crazy now that I'm 200 pounds and I'm trying to cut down to like 180, 185. I already know it's gonna look crazy, man. So again, start off my morning with apple cider vinegar and I started off with lemon juice. So if you got any questions about that, man, please let me know. But you just gotta lock in, man. Like at the end of the day, it don't matter about what you eat. It don't matter about any of that stuff. If you're not locked in, bro, you're gonna have those little habits, those little cravings. Oh, I want to get this, I want to get that. And trust me, not judging nobody because I was in that same situation. Never saying I was, out of shape or nothing, but it still is important what you put in your body. No matter how fit you are, no matter how strong you are, if you're eating trash, bro, it's gonna catch up with you sooner than later. And I always want to reference Kelly Muscle. He put people up on game, man. You don't know, he had like some cardiac situations, some like mini strokes and stuff. And it's because when he was doing his bulk and when he was doing all that, juice and the steroids and all that stuff, it started blocking all his arteries up, and he ended up having to get seen like seriously for his heart. So again, some of that bad foods and stuff catch up with you. Guys know he always was eating like noodles and stuff to kind of help him bulk, but you got to stay true to a diet. I'm not saying you got to stay true to mine, but just find something to where you're not, eating straight BS. You're not eating Chick-fil-A on every day. You're not eating, what other cravings foods it is. Like, you don't need to do it, bro. You do not need to do it. But I'm just here to try to motivate you guys. That's what I'm here for, bro. I know people previously on my channel, if you are new here, you don't know that I was doing sneaker YouTube for a long time, but kind of wanted to follow my second passion, which is now my first passion, is working out. I've been doing this forever. Everybody that know me always say, oh, bro, you strong. Oh, bro, what you do, man? What you taking? Not taking nothing. Never taking anything. And somebody asked me, am I natural? I'm like, bro, I am as natural as... I'm natural, bro, because I don't even like taking medicine, bro. I don't even like taking all my vitamins, my supplements, which I'm going to show you guys. But the fact that I'm, people are willing to inject themselves with something, not saying, and again, not judging anybody that does, but just me personally, I'm just too scared, bro. I'm scared when it comes to that. I don't know what it's going to do to me, man. I know it might make me look even crazier, but nah, I'm good, bro. Totally cool on that, man. But again, yes, diet. If you ain't dieting, it ain't got to be crazy. You don't got to go on a calorie deficit, bro. You can be eating a regular calorie day. Like it can be over 2,300 calories. Right now I'm eating like 1,397. It hurts. It don't even hurt now that I think about it, because when I'm not dieting, I would literally be still asleep right now. Like previously, before this Saturday, bro, I would still be in bed right now waiting for 9, 10 o'clock to come around for me to kind of get up and get on about my day and hit the gym, which now I'm going at 6 in the morning. It's a little bit better, man. I feel like my mind is clear. I feel like my sleep is better. Just a lot of different things, and I'm not trying to put it on anything, but again, bro, it is important about what you eat. So I do feel like me dieting has tremendously helped me better, over the last couple of days, and I just feel like that I'm getting good sleep. I'm not waking up in the middle of the night. Everything just feel good, bro. Feel good to eat good food. Like, don't put that bad stuff in your body and you will feel like, one, you're doing something, two, you're actually helping yourself in the long run, because we're not working out for this current moment. We're working out for our 60s and 70s. Like, I still want to be that old guy that's out there running, that's still in the gym working out. And if that's not your goal, hey, you got to get your, you got to get back to the drawing board, baby. Starting off the workout with back flies on the machine. I usually do dumbbells, but I'm gonna rock out with this machine. So let's get to it. Oh. 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 Ah, you gotta squeeze. That was my last set, so see how to squeeze on that one. Get that back ready. Yeah. Now we're gonna do this line barbell row. It's my first time trying it, so y'all don't laugh at me. I look crazy. Oh. Ooh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we gotta go up. Let's go up. Probably just a 25. Is that last one? It's a little light, baby. Now this one might be too heavy. Let's see. Right to it. Oh, hey, hey, oh, oh, hey, oh, ah. That shit was kind of heavy. Fuck. So yes sir. Hey, I've never seen this type of machine before, so I got to this gym. So I appreciate this joint right here. Lets you get that full, like, that stretch at the end of your lat. So y'all gonna see. It's kind of light too, so no sweat, no sweat. It's light. I can't go too heavy in the bed for myself. Get that stretch. Ooh, squeeze. Oh yeah, it's light. Yep. 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 It's light. Light. You want to almost like pull you up too. Like to pull you up. Stretch that lat all the way out. Major gains, but we're gonna go up though. Probably about 50. Let's go up 50. Quarter on each side. Come on, baby. No rest, because that shit was light. Oh, come here. Yep. Ooh. Ooh. 3, 4. 10. So when I be going too light, I feel like I'm gonna injure myself. So that's like we're running. When I run too slow, my knees hurt. But we gotta up the weight, put this belt on, and actually do the goddamn reps. Yo, that's a wrap, boy. Woo! That shit burn. It burns 30 minutes of stairs a day. I'm staying true to that, bro. I got to, man. But like I said, we're going to kind of break down, well, since I did my back workout, I'm going to break down kind of what I eat throughout the day, especially on this weight cut. Definitely probably help you guys out. I'm about to go straight to my first meal. Like I said, I worked out before breakfast time, especially do your cardio and everything in the morning, but it hurts. I ain't gonna lie. Like of course you way stronger at nighttime. Well, not nighttime, like evening time after work, after having a couple meals. Can't wait till my car get done beeping. Come on, Chevy. All right, thank you. Anyways, I'll wait till, you know, all that stuff is, of course you're stronger during that time. But like I said, we're gonna break down what I eat. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. And yeah, with all that's being said, man, let's go ahead and jump into what I eat in a day. All right, guys, I start the morning off with apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. That's 1 tablespoon each, and then transition straight into our breakfast after our workout. It's oatmeal, egg whites, and turkey bacon. Of course, low calories as possible. Then we transition to our main meals, which are all the same, honestly. You got your chicken breast, green beans, and your sweet potatoes to kind of help you, you know, feel fuller. And I told you guys I'm on a weight cut, so those sweet potatoes, I mean, I can't wait for them, man. Of course, you gotta have your sriracha. And at nighttime, I go the same meal minus the sweet potatoes, and I add in the spring mix. I'm trying to break down some of my supplements I take. Got your omega-3. Also have some iron pills. I take some digestive enzymes, probiotic complex, some NAC, mushroom complex to help focus, magnesium glycinate, and some biotin to help me out because I am iron deficient, man. Of course, man, if you got any questions about my supplements or the meal plan, please hit me up in the comment section or IG.